What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's Timmy G, back at it again with another unboxing. It's Friday. You'll be getting this Sunday. I finally got my box of Prizm in. 2016 Prizm football. Great product. Fun product. Lots of different opportunities in here. I'm ready for that monster. Timmy G's due. Now, the Ravens played a good game yesterday. They finally put a second half together to finish a football game. So I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good about this box. It's time for Timmy G to get a monster. That hobby monster. Let's just say I won't be surprised. So without further ado, let's put all the small talk aside. Let's rip this box, crack the packs, and find that big hit boomstick. Let's go. Okay, everybody. I'm excited about this one. It's a fun product. I've seen some great hits out of this. Where are we at? And it's time. It's time for that monster. So, let's get ripping. Let's get ripping into this bad boy. Only 12 packs and 12 cards in a pack. So it should be a relatively short unboxing, but exciting. Get a few hits out of it. Hopefully a monster. So I'll be posting this video. It'll be Sunday morning. So as always, good luck to all your teams out there. Unless you're a Steelers fan or a Bengal fan. Bunch of losers. Alright. So since everybody's posted this product except for me so far, that's what your base card looks like. Chris Ivory, Martellus Bennett. I'll try to bust through these pretty quick. I'll stop on the inserts. Decade of Dominance. TB. Terry Bradshaw. Leonte Carew for the Fins. Number to 199. Derek Watt. I'm liking this stuff so far. I'm feeling good about it. I'm feeling a little Timmy G mojo. Even that retail box, when I pulled that Goff jersey, it's a good looking card. LaShawn McCoy, Mike Wallace, Derek Carr, Jordy, Peyton Manning, Dwayne Allen, Julian Edelman, also to 199. All right. Mike Evans, Dwayne Allen, Rashad Jennings, Virgil Green, rookie introductions, Cardell Jones, Ryan Fitz, orange. Those ones are number 2 to 299. Guess if we can get some short print stuff in here. Still no hit. Jacob Tammy, AJ Green, Amari Cooper, TJ Yeldon, Teddy B, Daniel Braverman. For the Bears, They look pretty nice. Numbered to 75. First decent short print so far. These cards, these packs are thick. Makes you think, there's a good one in here. Wait a minute. They're all thick. Bunches of Funches, Buck Allen, Clay Matthews, Deshaun Jackson, Virgil Green. And the first hit is going to be at a 149, Joshua Doxson. Cool looking cards. Not bad. Not bad for hit number 1. What is it? 3 autographs, 3 autos, and 10 numbered Prizm cards. 1 down. 2 to go. Jarvis Landry. Shining Stars, Russell Wilson. Ronnie Hillman. To 299. Zeke rookie. Miles Jack rookie. Jay Stu, Zach Miller, Eddie Lacy, Eric Decker, Blake Bortles, Ryan Tannehill, Richard Rodgers, Braxton Miller rookie. Another orange to 299. Tyreek Hill, Kevin Hogan, rookie. It's good to be back, cracking packs. It's good to be back. There's nothing better. Watching football, cracking football cards. John Brown, Brent Selleck, Darrell Revis, Duke Johnson, Keenan Allen, Alex Smith, Eric Decker, another Josh Doxson to 149. Next, 4 packs left, 2 hits left. I recommend anybody go out and buy a box of this stuff. It's fun stuff. Boomer Esiason. The next hit. Oh, I see that helmet. I see that helmet. Jordan Payton. Not numbered. Auto number 2. Lance Kendricks for the Rams. Number to 75. Jordan Howard, Darius Jackson rookie. 2 autos down, 1 to go. 1 monster to go. How about that? Cam Newton. Illumination. Eli Manning. Not numbered. Cool looking insert though. Brian Hartline to 149. Jonathan Williams, Jalen Ramsey, rookie. Getting a stack of base cards over here. Stack of the base. Two packs left. Melvin Gordon having a good year. Julius Thomas, TB12. Last hit. It's going to be a PC hit. KD, Kenneth Dixon. Number to 49. Not bad. I like it. No boomstick at all, but if you're not going to get that monster hit, at least let it be a PC hit. Cool looking card. I like it. Jacoby Brissett, CJ Procise for the Hawks. Last pack. Last pack and we're done for the week. Eddie Royal, Darren Sproles, Tyler Lockett, Matt Forte, Kyle Rudolph, Stephon Diggs, Ryan Tannehill. Blue. To 299, 199, 68 to 199. Kelvin Taylor, Rashad Higgins, rookie. Nothing better than beating the crap out of the Cleveland Steamers. Well, that'll do it for this week's hobby box. 2016 Panini Prizm. It's a fun product. Tons of hits out there. 3 hits of the day. Kenneth Dixon for the PC. Jordan Payton. And Josh Doxson. Hands down. Best hit of the 3. For my Ravens. Kenneth Dixon. Well, it's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. That'll do it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back soon with another unboxing. Later.